Morning students, today we are going to read chapter 15 important dates. Some days and dates become important for some reason. Due to the significance means important. These days are observed throughout the country. Some such days are there and their dates are given below. But as you know, some days are celebrated every year. Like Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th November. Why? Because that day is a birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and he loves the children, so that day is celebrated as a Children's Day. So today we will read about some more days and the dates when they are celebrated. First of all, there is the Army Day. Which Army Day is celebrated on 15th January. It is celebrated every year on 15th January in the recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Karippa as he taking over the first chief commander in army in General Army of India. Second is Air Force Day. Air Force Day बच्चे that is celebrated on 8th October. Next is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November because that day is a birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and he loved children, so that day is celebrated as a Children's Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September and that is the birth anniversary day of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Okay, and he was our second president and the philosopher. So that birthday anniversary is celebrated as a Teachers' Day. Hindi Divas. Hindi Divas बच्चे that is celebrated on 14th September because on that day Hindi was declared as the official language of Union government. Next is Martyrs' Day. Martyrs' Day is celebrated always on 30th January every year because on that day Mahatma Gandhi was killed. Okay, and he had given his life for the country. So that day is celebrated as the Martyrs' Day. National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated every year on 20th February because on that day scientist C.V. Raman he discovered the Raman effect. Next is Flag Day. Flag Day is celebrated बच्चे on 7th December. Next is Navy Day. Navy Day is celebrated on 4th December. That day they are established. Navy Day established and Navy Force, that's why. Independence Day, all of you know, it is celebrated on 15th August every year because on that day our India got freedom from British. Next is Republic Day. Republic Day is always celebrated on 26th January because that day our constitution is declared. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. This is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. World Earth Day. World Earth Day is celebrated on 2nd April because first time on that day there was the need and the awareness was given for the environment and the protection of earth. Next is World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st December because that is the first time when the awareness of the pandemic AIDS awareness was given to the people.